Hi everyone, let's discuss the example number 2 about antiderivatives or anti-differentiation using chain rule or integration by substitution. Example number 2. What is the antiderivatives of 36x of 3x squared minus 1 raised to 3 with respect to x? Okay. First thing to do, determine what is u in the function. So in this case, our u is, u is 3x squared minus 1. Okay, if that is the u, determine also or solve for du. The derivatives of u is 6x with respect to x. Okay, sorry. This is dx. Next, write the function in terms of u. So write the function in terms of u. So this is our u raised to 3, and our du is equivalent to 6x dx. So we have dx here and we need 6x. So we're going to get 6x from 36x. So by factoring, we can express this as 6 times 6x 3x squared minus 1 cubed with respect to x. And now this 6x can be written now in the beside of dx. So and the constant 6 can be write also before the integral symbol. So we can write before the integral symbol the constant 6. So this will become 6 antiderivatives of 3x squared minus 1 cubed 6x dx. So we write 6x dx beside dx. Okay. And then we can now express this in terms of u. So we have 6 antiderivatives of u raised to 3 du. Okay. So this is our u raised to 3. Okay. The 3x squared minus 1. And 6x dx is our du. That's why it becomes du. Then we can now apply this rule. So this will become 6 times u raised to 4 over 4. Okay, plus c. Next, then simplify. So we can simplify this by lowest term of 6 and 4. That will become 3, 2. And our answer, it will become 3 u raised to 4 over 2 plus c. Then substitute now u will become 3x squared minus 1 raised to 4. So we have 3 over 2. Okay. So 3 times our u, which is 3x squared minus 1 raised to 4 over 2. So this will be the final answer. 3 times 3x squared minus 1 quantity raised to 4 over